The window onto the aftermath of Typhoon Haiyan reveals survivors still struggling to piece together their broken lives. The most vulnerable are still coping without shelter, water and electricity. In the aftermath, many have turned to their faith. For some, prayer is helping to reconcile loss. Yet for those leading the fight back, belief alone is not enough. Restoring vital energy has become central to the recovery in the Philippines. Typhoon Haiyan was indiscriminate, levelling entire districts that maps no longer recognise. But the storm also destroyed a vast electrical grid, isolating over 15 million people in darkness.
The darkness was very unexplainable. We were very shocked. It's so very difficult to live because we don't feel safe. We feel afraid.
In a disaster zone, each dawn without electricity drains hope, blocking recovery.
Everywhere here needs electricity. Our cell phones cannot be used, our radio is useless. Without power, we cannot have water. Our water is dependent on power that can pump the water. I think rehabilitation would take about 10 years without electricity.
But in Bogo City, a feat of engineering survived devastating winds of over 300 kilometres per hour. As buildings crumbled around it, the Jenbacher gas engine was the first to restore vital electricity to homes and clinics. The engine's remarkable resilience showed that robust technology is imperative in the eye of the storm. But its success also relied on human spirit.
Proud ko boss kay ang mga tao na kinahanglan gud sa mga linemen niya. Proud ko kay.
Engineer Alex Rodriguez is one of the unsung heroes of the aftermath. The typhoon ripped apart his village, leaving his wife and children homeless. The only place he could find them shelter was among the dead in a local graveyard. Within hours, he was fighting through the storm to restore vital electricity. Working back to back for 40 straight days and nights, Alex's resilience delayed his own road to recovery, but gave hope to an entire community.
You don't need to be a doctor to become a hero, a soldier to become a hero. The people out there working on the power plant, the linemen who lost their family, their house, and yet they're still working 24 hours a day to restore electricity. They are heroes.
Technological and engineering solutions are providing a vital lifeline for those caught up in the world's worst natural disasters.
In the future, technology will enable us to protect the grid, and it will enable us to get electricity back to the victims quicker.
In the wake of Typhoon Haiyan, the path to recovery is still not clear. Acts of sacrifice have shaped the response to this disaster, and it's the humbling resolve of human spirit that does most to keep hope alive and ensure recovery for the sake of the next generation.